apparently.
Ano?
Ito na.
Welcome to my home.
Japanese home.
Welcome to
Arigatou gozaimasu.
I have to with your people.
Sorry, I'm Filipino.
Are you excited? So it's cool, like, his name is spelled without any vowels.
Yeah.
Ready?
Smutty cheeks.
I know,
His
right?
face is really red.
Okay. That's your brother. Little brother.
Ah, she's so cute. He's so cute.
Go. Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss.
Hello, world.
Give him a kiss.
Tingnan mo. Dang. Diba?
Go, 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 go. You're gonna... He's screaming.
Iyak na to, iyak na to, iyak na to.
Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Come close.
Ah, he's so cute. He's got smutty cheeks.
Are you winking?
Sorta.
Hi, Ate.
He's so tiny.
Of course lang ga. Pag malaki, mahirap yun. Mahirap na nga ilabas to eh.
Who's in Nanay's tummy?
Yeah, 5 men.
Kambing. No. Tingnan mo, tingnan mo, tingnan mo.
Try niya pa rin yung kanang kamay niya, no? Parang, siguro naman dahil sa ano yan, sa injection. Go kiss, kiss baby.
Wait a minute, I'm just gonna. What's the bathroom?
Hi, Marco.
Uy,
Ano magiging
ginising.
nickname mo, Marco?
Ginising. Hello, welcome.
Hi, Marco.
Cozy, I'm really home.
I know, right? Sabi niya,
Chill
sabi niya,
Maggie, Maggie,
hayaan na yan sila.
kiss Malcolm. 1, 2, 3. Slowly so I can take a picture. Nice. Slowly so I can take a picture.
Slowly, so tatay ka take a
1, 2, 3, kiss. That's not a kiss, that's smelly. Yan. Kiss.
Wala akong pakialam talaga. Ito, mama.
Walang pakialam mo
Good.
talaga.
He's
Sabi
gonna
niya.
be out
That's good.
like in a
You know you look like Malcolm when you're a baby. Did you know that? Yeah. Except he's a boy.
look in your picture. Ay, wala na pala.
Yeah.
Tingnan mo
Nag-dethrone
yung
na
mga
pala.
picture mo.
Nag-dethrone na pala.
Alam mo, ang ganda ng Christmas.
You wanna see? I'll show you the